Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. You have to start by open Baseus application, and of course you need to add your headphones to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your headphones here. Now, right here at the right side we have EQ mode, what means Equalizer mode, so tap at this line. And right here at the right top we have deep bass. Select this preset by tapping on it. And that's it, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!